ਘਰ ਇੱਕ ਐਸੀ ਥਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਹਰ ਕੋਈ ਆਪਣੀ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਸੁਨਹਿਰੀ ਪਲ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਉਹ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰਿਆ ਜੀਵਨ ਬਤੀਤ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਪੂਰੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਦ ਕਿਸੇ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਨੂੰ ਸਜੇ ਹੋਏ ਘਰ 'ਚ ਬਦਲਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ। ਨਵੇਂ ਘਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਰੇਮਿੰਗ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਫਿਨਿਸ਼ਿੰਗ ਤੱਕ, ਡ੍ਰੇਪਰੀ, ਪੇਂਟਿੰਗਸ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਡੈਕੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਸੈਸਰੀਜ਼ ਤੱਕ, ਤੁਸੀਂ SK ਹੋਮ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਰਵਿਸਿਜ਼ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੁਪਨਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਨੂੰ ਹਕੀਕਤ 'ਚ ਬਦਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਕੰਟੈਕਟ ਕਰੋ ਸੰਦੀਪ ਕੌਰ 6048259295।
ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਨੈਟਵਰਕ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਹਾਲ ਹੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਨਫਰੰਸ ਦਾ ਆਯੋਜਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਾਕਟਰਸ ਅਤੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨਲਸ ਨੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਯੋਗਦਾਨ ਪਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕਰਨ ਵਿੱਚ, ਤੇ ਖਾਸ ਤੌਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਅਤੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਨੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਹੋਏ ਸਨ ਸੈਨੇਟਰ ਆਸ਼ਾ ਸ਼ੇਟ। ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸ਼ਨ ਵਜੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨੋਮੀਨੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਕੰਜ਼ਰਵੇਟਿਵ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸੈਨੇਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਭਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਲਾਈਂਡਨੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਰੈਡੀਕੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਏ। पेश कर दें ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਗਈ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ। Senator Seth, tell us a little bit about yourself. You have been in Canada since when, and आप जो senator बनाए गए हार्पर गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, आपका क्या, what has been your contribution so far?
I'm in fact a physician doctor
Right.
who has been practicing from the last 38 years on obstetric and gynecology
Ji.
in Toronto. I have got my own private practice and has been working with the St. Joseph Health Center in Toronto.
Okay.
And I started my practice, it was 1976 here. I always thought about being taught that way. Being a doctor, you do always help to your community or patients.
Ji.
But I always wanted to go beyond the door of that office to
Right.
hospital where I can do and make a difference, to do further more thing. So in order to do that, I start helping our community to doing some charity. They required needy people and all that. But my great passion is my charity.
Right.
In fact, and community where I can hear their voice and do what I can do besides being a physician.
Right.
So, in fact, after settling down a little bit, I would say, as a immigrant, you all have to do all over exam,
Right.
all the exams of. So, I did the American board and also Canadian as well. I started my practice and started learning what is the need in South Asian. I should say Indo-Canadian community. I'm
Right.
from India.
Right.
And it was you learn a lot from the public and patients as well.
So now, since 2012, you're a senator now. So how
And then fortunately, that's what I'm telling the history
right.
now.
Yeah. So now, what as a senator are you trying to bring forward?
Okay.
Especially because you're representing the Indo-Canadian community. So what are you doing?
So the first interesting thing part was, as usually you are seeing the patient and the Prime Minister calls you to your office, and the senator, as Asha, he said, he didn't say when doctor said, he said, Asha, I'm seeing you have done so much about the practice and all that. Let's do for the country.
Right.
So I was never politically involved, frankly speaking, and I've never been into politics. I never thought about I'll go in politics. But politics is such, as you know, when he appointed me, and I was very thrilled.
Right.
I certainly accepted that we'll do it. Let's try. So since I have been, I was appointed in January 2012, and since then I have noticed what I have done is basically, as I said, the blindness was very close to my heart, very
Right.
passionate, and I always wanted to do something about them. So recently, just a few months ago, I have made a second month of May as a National Vision Health Month.
Okay.
That means we can do the campaign
Right.
throughout the whole month in the Parliament, in the Senate, in the House of Commons, to give the awareness. A lot of people, educated people even do not understand, because this is a leading cause of not death but disability.
Right.
Because we all at this point, we have vision problem, whether we wear the glasses or we
yeah.
have, so it's a very common, it was very, so that's I have created.
Right.
I have been also, second thing, I have done also, which I have introduced a motion about international maternal, newborn and child Health Week,
Okay.
which comes fall second week of May,
Right.
which comes the Mother Day. And I thought, in the world, this is internationally. I know in Canada we have a great health issues and problems, and we all solve very well. We have technology, we are well do, and our Prime Minister is also his mandate to do internationally. So
Right.
this is my second motion which I'm introduced, and I will continue because I have delivered thousands of children in Toronto,
Right.
and I want to bring the awareness of not to save the lives, how we can do it. You would not believe it. Every minute,
Right.
12 children before they die. And that means in 24 hours, 80,000 children before age of 5 they die
Right.
because no accessibility of the health care.
Right.
So
So these are the two major things
I
which
have
you
taken-
brought forward.
yes.
There are a lot of organizations over here which go to India and especially for blindness and trying to for cataract operations and others. So do you feel
So
they are doing on the basis of the people supporting them? So are you also planning in future to get involved as a senator and also try to involve the government level also so that when they go over there they can do these things in a bigger way?
So yes, this is my another mandate. As I said, the month of May is a Vision Health Month.
Right.
With that Vision Health Month, I go India about the technology, what we do here, the tools to prevent it, and what can be done. That's what is new now, and we will spread out all over. That's what is the main aim is. Then how to avoid blindness.
Right.
Okay. I've been involved with. I'm in the Canadian board of. I'm in the national board of CNIB, which is
Right.
called Canadian National CNIB.
Right.
That's is a major organization in Canada, and it is also here all over Canada. And with the help of maybe I'll try to do all over the world, especially India, where it's needed badly. Out of 45 millions
Right.
blindness, people suffers from 15 millions
Absolutely.
in India.
So
So
Senator,
it is.
you are having a passion for this, and I hope
I'm
like you
very
are doing
passionate.
this.
This is-
Best wishes, and thank you for your time.
ਵਾਜਿਬ ਕੀਮਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਉੱਚ ਮਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡਡ ਗਹਿਣੇ ਖਰੀਦੋ ਜਮੋਲੋਜੀਕਲ ਇੰਸਟੀਚਿਊਟ ਆਫ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ ਦੀ ਜਿਊਲਰੀ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਰ ਸ਼ੀਤਲ ਗੁਪਤਾ ਤੋਂ। ਡਾਇਮੰਡਸ, ਜੈਮਸ ਅਤੇ ਪਰਲਸ ਦੇ ਲੇਟੈਸਟ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਸ ਦੇ ਪੈਂਡੈਂਟਸ, ਬ੍ਰੇਸਲੈਟਸ, ਈਅਰਿੰਗਸ, ਰਿੰਗਸ, ਨੈਕਲੇਸਿਸ ਲਓ। ਵੈਡਿੰਗ ਲਈ ਖਾਸ ਸਿਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਸ 6047270149 Unit 1500 701 West Georgia Street, Vancouver.